In a desperate need to learn how to do pirouette from basics, we've all been there and you're in the right place, because today I'm going to teach you very easy ways to improve your pirouettes, and I'm going to be using the Cuban Ballet method. Make sure to stay right till the end, because I have one tip for you that is going to change the way you finish your pirouettes. First things first, pirouette is a passe balance that turns around. Therefore, we need to focus on a strong supporting leg, really good passe, and body alignment pulling up. I'm going to do badminton to the back, to your good side, because I know you're not going to try it to the bad one. Going to do fourth position, and your body weight is going to be slightly forward. Almost that if I ask you right now, lift your back leg, you can immediately lift that back leg. Body weight on your toes on that supporting leg, however, it's slightly between both legs. Does that make sense? Don't tell anyone that I said no. So body weight is slightly forward. Next, you are going to focus on bringing this leg up to your passe or your retiré, but the Cuban Ballet School is passe. And for that, you're going to use your toes to peel off the ground. That's why I need the body weight on this leg, because you need to free the heel of the back leg, and then you're going to use your toes to pull all the way up. Yep. Next, you need to almost hold your breath for a second, just so you have that feeling, that sensation of staying, of lifting, elongating, and not of going down, right? So, am I going too fast? That's no problem. You can go back, pause, check, and then join me. I'm going to keep going. I told you it's going to be a quick, fast, easy pirouette basics. So we did tendu, we did plie, we transfer body weight forward, we release pressure from that back leg, and we are ready to peel off our passe. Obviously, we are closing arms together, yeah? What comes next is your turn. Now, this is a little bit of a trick. This is not technique. This is just to help you to get a little bit more of your pirouettes. So, as you open this arm, the mechanic of the pirouette basically goes through this position, right? Now, this is a millisecond. This is no time spent on that force around. Therefore, I want you to think about that. Think about peeling up those toes, pulling up, and now this supporting leg's heel press back, yeah? Obviously, it's slow. It's really uncomfortable to do anything. And I do not want you to stop in that position. That's just to pass through and keep going. Does that make sense? I don't want you going around saying, Yelena said that we pass through. Nah, this is just for you. It's a trick. It's just something to help you to make it better, just between us. I talked about this supporting heel pushing back. If you focus on that, you are stealing off the pirouette already. So you're not doing a full pirouette. You are already taking advantage of almost half of your pirouette. Now you have all of the tricks to do a perfect balanced one simple pirouette. What are they all? Again, body weight slightly forward, using your toes to peel off, to have that dynamic passe up. Your knee is going to be really high. You're going to open this arm. You're going to pass through this position, start closing your hands, and this heel is going to push back. So now I'm going to give you that tip that you need to know. When you lower through your releve, that's going to change the way you finish your pirouette, and you still elongated pulling up, right? So one more time, tendu to the back, demi-plie fourth position is slightly forward. Remember your toes, open this hand, heel back, hold your breath, and finish through your releve. Let's go. Perfect, and that's how you do a perfect, controlled, well-balanced, simple pirouette. Get ready, because I'm going to be posting pirouette challenge, simple, double, and yours, and under that, and from ground plie. So keep following. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos that are coming up, and I'm going to see you tomorrow in my next video.